In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and installing this app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit Consent. Click on this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those wallpaper options however you wish to. Then you need to click at the bottom right corner, and hit Set as Live Wallpaper. Select Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Now go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!